Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
His Royal Majesty Eberechukwu Kanuoji, the Ezearo of the ancient Igbo kingdom in Abia State, last week bestowed on the Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle, the prestigious Ada-Mazi title and name. The revered monarch made the conferment at a private event organized by the Nigerian Ministry of Defense in honor of the royal couple who were visiting Nigeria for the first time.
The Ezearo of the ancient and respected Arochukwu kingdom, His Eminence Eberechukwu Kanuoji, was among revered traditional rulers in the country who graced one of the events organized by Defense Headquarters to honor and interact with Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, on their recent trip to Nigeria. While all the traditional leaders adorned the couple with their unique titles, names and attires representing their distinct cultures and traditions, the one that stood out was the Ada-Mazi name and title bestowed on the Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle, by the custodian of the culture and tradition of the Arochukwu people, His Eminence Eberechukwu Kanuoji. Ada-Mazi, which is the highest social title and recognition given to women in Arochukwu kingdom, was conferred on Meghan Markle for her outstanding contributions to the advancement of humanity. His Eminence Eberechukwu Kanuoji, who was accompanied by his wife Ugwueze Nneoma Oji, also presented the Duchess with the symbolic Umwaro wrapper, along with a sash depicting her new title. The wrapper is the ceremonial dress adorned by both males and females in the kingdom, often during special occasions and celebrations. The visibly overwhelmed royals appreciated the traditional leaders for their show of love. For the sake of history and to provide some perspective and significance to this encounter between the Ezearo and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, it will be important to note that His Eminence Eberechukwu Kanuoji is the grandson of late Ezearo Ada-Mazi Kanuoji, who was equally among the monarchs who welcomed and received Queen Elizabeth to Nigeria in 1956 on her 2-week working visit. Eze Kanuoji is probably the longest reigning monarch in contemporary times. He was crowned in 1914 and ruled over the kingdom for a record 73 years until he joined his ancestors in 1987. The near-perfect innovations he introduced in the administration of the kingdom, especially midwifing a heat-free relationship and interactions with the then British authority after the Anglo War of 1901 and 1902, attracted the goodwill and admiration of the English royal house. In 1953, he was awarded the Queen Elizabeth II Coronation Medal, followed by the award of Officer of the Order of the British Empire, OBE, in 1956, the same year the Queen visited Nigeria. It is therefore safe to say that it's not surprising to see the current Ezearo, His Eminence Eberechukwu Kanuoji, honoring the members of the British royal family on their first visit to Nigeria. This also speaks to the unparalleled influence of the ancient kingdom on the culture and economics of pre-colonial Nigeria. As one of the sovereign nation states with diplomatic ties with both the British authority and Portuguese traders, the kingdom dominated trade from Badagry, present-day Lagos, to Benin, Edo State, through Bonny in River State and Calabar in Cross River State, down to Boko in Benue State and Ida in Kogi State, north-central Nigeria. The memories of this beautiful experience and warm reception in Nigeria on their first visit would certainly remain with the royal couple for a very long time.
Inside the Niger Delta,